Walang daan eh.
Mount Balungaw. That's
Saan
it.
yung ano dyan? Sa
That's
baba?
it.
Yung
That's
hot
it.
spring.
Diyan ba tayo pumunta kanina? Ay, oo, dyan.
Punta ba kayo rito ron?
Mount Balungaw.
Ano yung wali ng ano? Yung
Line?
zipline?
Zipline.
Ha? Saan? Hindi, yung mahaba. Yung galing dun sa dulo kanina. Yung na zipline dun. Daan na yun.
Oh,
Kasi teka na, 1.5
the
kilometers.
zipline is over there. It has a zip. When it has a zipline, it's a zipline. It's called a zipline mountain, right?
Left.
Do you know this?
Ako dun sa Arjo, matignan ko yung ano.
Full view.
Arjo.
How about the full view?
Is the food.
Wow. It's over there. It's a zipline mountain.
Ang sakit ng ulo ko. Nahilo ako.
Ayun, pala,
Like,
Sa zipline, anak pala. Yan o. Kataas naman pala, nakakatakot.
like and subscribe.
Yung pinagalingan natin doon, dulo. Yan yun.
Sobrang nakakatakot naman. Napakataas naman pala. Ano yan? Isahan lang?
It's also considered.
Isahan, pero pag ganyan ka.
It's also considered a sleeping volcano. Bye.
Let's go.